test the emergency alert system.
Yeah.
What's going
Mine's
on?
not
What's
going.
going on?
Mine's not
It's
going.
not going.
Oh, now it's going.
It's like in a 10-minute or 20-minute window.
Mhm.
Is that capitalism or socialism?
It's the 5G waves.
Yeah,
Where
the
the
5G
vaccines and waves and turn you into a zombie.
I
There
get
it
it.
goes.
Yeah.
I told you, it's
The
over
alerts
like a
will
10-minute
go
period.
Yeah, but mine already went off. And then it went off again.
They're testing.
What's the alert?
It's just a test of the emergency
Yeah.
alert system.
What's the wrong time to testing? I thought it was a bomb threat. Initially, I thought it was a bomb threat. I mean, yeah, in old days, I always get a bomb threat before my test. Literally, they call and say, "Don't pass the test." They call bomb threat to call off the test. That's how you get by with the test. Oops, again.
There mine goes.
So we just like turn off our phones and stuff.
Turn off your
Well,
phone,
if
please.
you turn off your phone,
We don't
as soon
need a
as you turn
phone.
it back on, it would.
Yes.
2:30. When did I start? 1:30.
Just because it cues all the messages
Before-
you've got.
Mm-hmm.
I muted mine.